Why am I looking at you? You're a picture in a frame. I make believe you're next to me, but I know it's not the
Hey YouTube family, how you all doing? Hope you all are doing amazing and staying blessed. So today's video, I'll be unboxing my wonderful gifts I got on my birthday. Actually, today is my birthday, September 15th. It's my birthday, so I received a wonderful gift today. Woo! It's my birthday. It's mommy's birthday. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. Woo! So I said let me unbox it with you guys. Yeah, it's my S20. Yeah. My Samsung S20. I don't know how it looks like, but I'm going to unbox it with you people so that we can see how it looks like. Yes guys, I hope I'm going to fall in love with this one because I actually love Samsung so much. Samsung, I love Samsung so much. Samsung is, in short, me and Samsung, we are friends. Like, we are friends. I love Samsung. Yes guys, so I'll be unboxing this phone with you. You can see I've not even opened it. It's here. You can see I've not even opened it. I don't know if you can see it. I've not opened it, so I'll be unboxing it with you people. Let's see how it looks like. Phone, hope nice to meet you. So let's open this phone and see how it looks like. Okay guys, let me open. Zip it. Wow. Woo. Yes guys, I have a new phone. Wow. Oh my god, I love the color. Wow, this is so beautiful. Phone, I'm going to enjoy you. Hope to bond with you, and I hope you like me as well. So this is the phone, guy. This is my first time of using it. I've not used it before. I don't know how it works. I hope it works good, because the one I was using, I'm still using it actually, is the one I'm using to record this this video right now, is Samsung Note 10. Yeah, that's what I'm using, but I'm having new upgrade. Yeah, I'm having new upgrade. Yes guys. So that's the phone. I guess this is the let me see, I guess this is the charger. Yeah, this is the charger. I think I'll be charging it right away and see. Yeah people, hope you can see. I love the color. It's gray color. It's so beautiful. Wow. Oof. I hope it has good quality pictures. I hope it takes good quality pictures, because I'm a picture freak. Yes guys. I think the charger fell down. Okay, I'll see it. Yeah, this is the charger. So I'll be plugging it now. Oh yeah, I think I have a socket here. Let me plug it and see how it works. I love the body, the color, I mean. Oh. Wow. Wow, my upgraded Samsung. Yeah, babe. Yeah. Hobby, if you watch this video, thank you so much for this lovely gift. You know, I'm a Samsung freak. Oh, I'm a Samsung freak. I love Samsung so much. Oh, the ear piece is different. You can see have the same mouth like the charger. You see, that's how it looks. Something fell down. Okay, this one is here. Wow, I'm so loving my new gift. I'm so loving it. I don't know if I can, let me on it and see. Charge up to 30. Whoa. Yeah, baby. Oh, you're welcome to my life. Oh, I love it. I love gray color so much. You are welcome to my life. This is my new baby for now. Yeah, babe. This is my new baby. And I love the picture, the side of the picture, as in the camera. I mean, the camera is beautiful. The side, it looks like an iPhone. You can see it looks like iPhone the way it is at the side. It's telling me, I think I have to put my language. Yeah, I have to put it on English so that I will understand it. Okay, United Kingdom English. Yeah, check out some information to get started. Okay, and I read and understand. Next, connect to network. So I have to connect to network. Oh, so guys, I'll be doing this off the camera so that this video will not be too long. So this is the phone. Phone. I hope you will bond with me, and nice to meet you. So guys, I just let me come here and show you all my new phone. Yeah, this is my new phone. Unboxing it with you guys. Thank you all for watching. In case you watched this video up to this place, thank you so much. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye everyone. Bye. Please don't forget to wish me happy birthday in the comment section below. Okay guys, that will tell me if you actually watched the video till the end. All right guys, thank you so much. See you in my next one. Bye guys.